Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY, US dollar, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD JPY in front of us right now, and if you have watched my yesterday's video, then nothing much to say about it, because after this huge uprun in the market, the things became very much volatile and uncertain for us. And in a market condition like this, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, because I think that if we look at the trend of the market here, then the trend of the market still seems to be in uptrend, because if we just observe this portion of the market here, then it looks like that either we have a bullish flag, or after the retracement there is a possibility of market going up. Whatever it is, I'm still thinking that there is a possibility of USD JPY going towards the upside. And if you just watched my yesterday's video, then you can also see that market was respecting the Fibonacci level of 38.2%, and still market is respecting the Fibonacci level of 38.2%. And you can see that if I zoom in, you can see that still market is trading above it. So things are quite good, things are quite beautiful in the chart of USD JPY. So if you have already taken a buy position, then I'll request that you please be on the trade. Just do not forget to put your stop loss below this level. Okay, your stop loss should be at 110.7075 level. It should be a stop loss. Okay, and you please be on the trade. That's my request. And on the other hand, if you are looking for a fresh opportunity or fresh position, and if you want to enter in the middle right now, then also you can enter, because see, market has not gone up much. Market is standing at 111.15 level. So if you want to enter here, yes, you can enter here. Again, make sure that your stop loss is below this level and you are not risking more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And I am not entering. I have already exited from the trade. Let me tell you why. Because see, market is standing at this level for quite some time and market is not going up. It means that the bulls does not have the required strength right now to take the price upward. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion here. It means that though market is standing at support, though market is trying to take support at the Fibonacci level, but it does not have the strength. So because I prefer to be on the safer side, I'm a defensive trader, so I have exited from the trade. So if you are an aggressive trader, you can be on the trade. It's your choice. And in the next trading strategy that you can follow for USD JPY is, you can follow a bullish flag like this. Okay, you can draw a bullish flag like this, and in case market crosses this level, okay, you just make a flag like this, and when market will cross the line at the top, this line, you can enter on the trade again. Then we can consider that yes, after a retracement, after taking rest for a while, market is on the up run again. So that also can be your next trading opportunity. But on the other hand, if there is a heavy selling on the market, or if you see fresh selling on the market, then you can short the market. That's totally your call, but at least I will not short the market below the 50% retracement level. Yes, 110.60. This is the 50% retracement level. At least I will suggest you not to short market below this level. Just make sure that in case you are shorting the market or planning to short the market, then just make sure that the price is being supported by volume. It means that the size of the candles should be big. That's it. Okay, and do not, if possible, do not short the market below 110.60 level. I'm still hoping market will be going up, but as we all know, market is market. So do not short below it, and in case there is an uptrend or market starts going up from here, click on the buy button. Okay, and my dear friends, last month I have launched the Pro Trader program. where I share the best trading opportunities on the market. If you are interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, please go to my website abhilashhazarika.com. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the necessary information. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.